So we are going to be playing build a boat for treasure. And I am here with my mom, and she's supposed to tell me what I have to do to build a boat. So she does not even know any of the controls, and this is her.
Yes, this is me. I am Mama Nathan. I am Nathan's mom.
Yes, that is my name. So uh, this is the builder. This is the remove. This is the launch, and this is where you buy stuff.
Okay.
And this is your gold. And this in the builder, all of the items you can use. So and this is the jump button. So what am I supposed to do? Do I build a boat, or I place just one block and then I roll?
Build a boat.
Okay, so let us build a boat. Because I don't have a lot of materials, I'm just going to build a small boat.
Okay.
Um, so let us put this stuff in this window. Oh no. Let's put it here, and then let us put our chair, our thing, and then let us put our chair. Okay, let me enter this chair. Okay, you see this button. This is to go forward. This is to go backwards. This is to go this way it's facing, and this is where to go where it's facing. This
Right
I
and
use.
left.
And this is to leave. So so uh, so let me enter, and then I click launch.
Yes.
Okay.
Launch.
So this is how far I have made, and this there is blocks of here, but you cannot see this because it hasn't loaded. Yes, these are the rocks. These are the rocks, and if I hit them, my boat breaks. And there is other people. So let us to see how far my mother's boat has made it. Oh no.
How far we?
Okay, we are in stage 2.
We are supposed to go up to what stage?
Here, up to where it is like there's land.
Yes.
And if we do not make it, we still just go. But now we have lost our window, and we are losing some of our stuff. We are losing some of our stuff,
Right.
like the window. Oh no, I'm taking damage. And I died. I reached to the flower place, and I got 24 gold. So this just I useless. So let us. So do we go to menu and get so how do we go to menu and get a chest and hatch a chest to get more items, or you just build another boat?
Go back to menu.
So
We build another boat.
so we build another boat.
Okay.
So let us put this honey block here, and then this chair. Okay, how big will it be? So how So let's put it here. How big do you want it to be? Like really big or really small?
Medium big.
Okay. Let us put this on top of our head. And then let's put this. Because I do not have a lot of items. Wait, is this even on? Let us remove this and put it in a better place. Let's put it there. So we have a cannon. Do we place it or not? Okay, let's put it on top of our head. So let us use this for a lot of items. Let's put it here. Let's put it everywhere. Oh no, I've used all of them. So let's put it here. Do not mind him. So let's just mind him. He's talking. So let us put this.
Don't mind him.
Yes, he's talking another language. So let us put all of our items. Not all because it is medium size. Let us put some of our wooden blocks. This is medium size. So now because we have a cannon, we can click this and we hit wherever we want it. We click on the cannon and then we hit any rock or where we want it to go. So do we click launch and go now?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, some of our stuff have failed. Well, fallen down. So this will be so bad. We don't even have our cannon. Yes, it has lost, but it is still there and we can use it. So let us if it is possible, we might be able to beat our the record we had, which is the flower. Yes, I've played this game before, the last video, and I'm losing so much items. So let us try not to lose all of our blocks.
How many blocks do you have?
I don't know. It's our boat. So we might even be able to beat out how far we can. We can just go on this land and then flip over. But it's good now. So let us stand so that we face the correct way, and then we go here so that we can actually be able to beat this. And I've beaten the second stage. But will something be showing? Oh no, this ninja spear thing. Oh no, I'm losing all of. Don't lose my seat. Oh no, I should have put another chair. Oh no, let us leave here as fast as we can. But you have made it to the fourth world already. Oh no! No! But we still reached to the fourth world somehow. 10 minutes has passed, so that is the end of my time. 40 gold
How
and
many gold have we earned?
66. About to be 69. So do we build, do we get another chest or end the video?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all of my time today. I will play this again, but without my mom. So what I have to say for the rest is bye.
Bye bye.